Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to replace the cup shelf on the upper rack of your dishwasher. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to replace that cup shelf, we're going to open the dishwasher up. We'll pull the upper rack all the way out. If the existing cup holder shelf is still in place, you'll need to remove it. Simply lift up on the pairs of hinge clips. That will detach it from the upper rack. You can discard the old one. Now, when installing the new one, we need to make sure that each pair of those hinge clips straddles one of the vertical wires on both sides of that front roller assembly. Make sure it's pressed firmly down onto that wire, and the little locking tabs can hold it in an upright position when not in use. Now, if you were just adding an extra one to the opposite side of the rack, you would simply mount it in the same manner. Just make sure that you have it firmly attached to those wires. We can close the dishwasher up, and your repair is complete.